Yeah, this is Kimmy. I just acquired an antique violin from Goodwill and I restored it, so I'm sharing it with you. Please share, like, and enjoy and comment. Thank you. So I have a 1939 Lark violin that I had gotten at Goodwill, but the varnish was cracking and it was all bare. No bridge, no sound post, no strings, no pegs, nothing. It was a poor violin, all crying by itself. But I saved it and I strung it, and it's better than the violin I had. So I like it. I, you see how it works. Mm-hmm. Hear how it just cries. My other violin, my modern one, didn't cry like that. It didn't resonate, is what they call it. They don't. Ah, it's I like it. So test run was on. I like it.